but the channel was built in 2008.
Yeah.
It has small impressions. It's an H channel. I mean, so I don't know. How does that work to get it monetized and how fast, right? Or
Yeah, so if you do niche selection and like ideation, like we're doing this pretty consistently where we're monetizing within like a month or two. So although it's not like instantaneous with the pre-monetized channel, but in a way it's almost the
okay,
same thing because like with the pre-monetized you still had to, depending on like when we monetized it, you sometimes you still had to wait for the AdSense to be able to change it. But if you start on an aged account, like there's no, we'll know in the first 3 or 4 days we should be getting impressions. So 3 or 4 days that should give us the feedback we need. All we just need to do is to nail down like ideation, niche selection. So in terms of that, what are you planning? Do you have a niche in mind? Can you remind me?
yes, I already have all that. That I did send it to you. I don't know if you have it in front of you. And it's one of the channels that y'all recommended too. It's on your list.
Yeah.
So is that one, man? Basically, I want to copy that or that channel or that niche.
Right. Okay. Yeah, it's good. Is there anything specific about that niche? Are you like passionate about it?
So right, so I like that, man. The money channel. Try to stay organized with that too. And
Okay.
and I know also that is a high paying channel
Uh-huh.
niche, right?
Uh-huh. Yeah, it has
So that's
good
another reason
RPMs.
why.
Yeah, let me pull it up. It has good RPMs, like, which is really, really good. But in terms of like time to like actually get monetized or like start getting the views, like finance is pretty competitive, especially with like other avatar channels doing something similar. I'm not saying it won't work. Obviously, if we do
Okay.
ideation, probably we're gonna have a way higher chance, and kind of reduce the time to monetize, like to monetize the channel or see results with it. But
Okay.
yeah, what I would suggest you can do, again, it's up to you, is we can put you in another niche that has like a really high success rate right now. Again, this is not like
Okay.
it's not like a trend. Like we don't recommend trendy niches. It's just I feel
Okay.
like to start to get the ball rolling and actually see some numbers on the screen, it's just more effective to go for like channels that are long term but are in mainstream. So like also being searched and like consumed right now. You know what I mean?
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Which one do you recommend?
Yeah, let me pull this up. And the RPMs is not necessarily bad either. So what's the name again? So there's a bunch. Um, where's the other guy? Can you see my screen?
Hold on.
Oh, can you hear me?
Yes,
Cool. Okay, so this is the niche right here. So
I
essentially,
see it. Okay.
yeah. So what's going on here is there's a bunch of these clips of like, you know, the Black American culture and random stuff to do. So there's a bunch of clips on TikTok and all these places. So all these guys are doing are just like kind of coming in, um, on top of the videos and like just randomly commentating on it on the videos. So the reason why this is good is the people watching it are like very strong patriots, right? They feel like the culture of the country is being destroyed, etc., etc. Most of them are older people as well, so they're like, we want our history back, U.S. history, kind of stuff. So it has really good RPMs as well. Um, the way we also kind of tell if it's a really good niche is you can see, like, after we did the competition research, this guy just started recently. He's still posting every single day, getting a lot of
Okay.
views. If you look at this channel, 34 videos.
Okay.
If you sort by popular, a month ago, 160k views, 155k views. Again, he had another channel running the exact same playbook.
Okay.
It's gonna load. Yeah, so essentially it's performing, right? So this is the niche I would say you do right now. Like to even confirm it further, we went ahead and tried it as well. We even tried it with like
Okay. But do I have to put my face? Is this guy showing his face, or what is he doing?
he's showing his video. You don't have to. So let me share
Okay.
something. So we essentially run the challenge that we're having you do right now. So if you look at this channel right here, it's essentially the same kind of channel we gave you, which is like really aged account, got some impressions in the past. You can see like I don't even have time for this channel. We just randomly made some videos. AI voiceover. The first one pretty much blew up, and it's still getting views, so it works. So the niche is validated. So Yeah, it's been a long time. Been making a lot of videos for so long now. So yeah, this the
How
one I
much
would
is this
suggest.
guy?
Say again?
So this guy's already making money off of the channel.
Yep.
I mean, from YouTube.
This guy? No. It's not monetized. We haven't even made enough videos yet. The videos are very easy to make. It's just compilation. Let me see if I can open it. Compilations. Easily. The editor that makes this video that I'm trying to manage, I'm paying him $10 a video to like find all the clips. After finding all the clips, get the script using AI, and put the script to 11 labs and make the script with 11 labs, blah, 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 blah. Very easy. That's the process with that. Again, if you want to do it yourself, you can also do it. What are you thinking so far? Do you want to run it yourself, or you think it's better to set up a team for this?
I would like to learn it myself.
Right.
That way I can get the hang of it, and then I'll pass it on to the team so I can tell them what to do exactly.
Yep. Sounds good. All right, let me. Yeah, any questions? Any other questions you have on this niche before we kind of start getting into the breakdowns and stuff that you need to know?
Okay, so let me see. So this niche is a compilation niche, right? And it's
Yep.
easy to monetize, or it's
It's easy to monetize because you're putting commentary on top of it. So you're like,
so
yeah.
this if anything, maybe what, like 30 days, 60 days? How long do you think before it gets monetized?
If everything goes well, I would say if you're posting every single day, you can do it within 30 to 45 days. It could be
Very quickly.
shorter than that, but that's a realistic number, yeah. That's a realistic
Seriously?
number,
Okay.
yeah.
So at least one every single day, right? That you're saying?
Yeah, if you can do that, I mean, it's pretty easy to make the videos. That's the best thing you can do right now.
Yeah. So one for, and so videos, the length of the video, what, like 30 minutes, 20 minutes?
So actually, what you can do to like get a lot more RPM out of this, which is the strategy that we're thinking of running here as well, is after every 5 videos, for example, right? You make a super long compilation. You compile all of the videos, make it up to an hour long, and just post it. Like they're gonna consume that because no competitor right now is doing an hour long videos. And obviously they like watching for longer. So every like 35 videos, if you can, compile all the past videos, make it like a super 1 hour, and it's gonna crush. That's one strategy to think about.
Okay. And then, so I can also create shorts, or should I not?
Let's see.
Or just videos. Videos plus shorts, or just videos?
Just videos. I was just suggest videos right now, yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, let's I'm about to try to share my screen here. You can see my screen?
Yes.
Can you see TikTok?
Right. I can see it.
Yeah, so first thing you need is just like build your feed. So all the clips are coming from TikTok or Instagram, all these places. So if you can have endless source of like those kind of videos, you basically have infinite videos. You don't want to go and try to like copy from there. You can reuse some clips from them, but like it's just better to go straight to the source and get your own clips. So once you go on TikTok, just search something random like this because it's these kind of search terms. I search something like this. Like
white women wear hair that looks like black women's hair?
They do. They wear crinkly hair. They wear fucking braids. They don't wear black women hair because that's
Alright, so you search some videos like this where it's like it's pretty clear the pattern of consumption that's happening. It's like, a black woman and a black guy that does something, maybe that is not socially acceptable, etc., and like you're covering those kind of videos. So once you come here, for example, a video like this, you click it, you watch it, you like the video. The same here, you like the video, and after you do, it's pretty easy. Like after you do that,
oh my god,
come to the home feed and just refresh your home feed. As you can see, literally look at this, because I've done this like for like 10 to 20 minutes the first day we launched this channel. It's already resurfacing this. So again, whenever you come across it, just watch it, like it, again, save it so you can download it later on. This is another one, and the reason the videos also go viral on YouTube is because you can see they've gone super viral on TikTok as well. So the clip itself is remarkable. Like people are commenting about it, talking about it. So during your commentary, you'll also try to like kind of farm engagement to like say these kind of outrageous stuff. Obviously, not enough that you could potentially ever get banned. Just to like farm those engagements so you can increase watch time and stuff like that, and people commenting on your video. So yeah, like you just search these stuff, watch the videos, come back here and click the home button so like refreshes it. If you're scrolling, let's say you try to do that, you're scrolling, you come across a video that's not what you're looking for, maybe it's completely different, like someone dancing or something, just don't watch the video. Try your best to not watch it, just scroll away. So you're training the feed to only show you what you want to see. So this is essentially how you're going to have endless of those videos. Now, once you get the videos, hold on. Once you get the videos, you just use some kind of TikTok downloader here. You can use this one. Any of these are really, really good. Just download them. Pretty easy to make the videos here. So for you'd have an intro, for example. So you can see it's very basic. There's no editing on this video. It's just the compilation video after video. And then after you watch the video, you commentate on it. After you watch on this channel, you can understand. Now for the script itself, do you want to like commentate naturally on the video? Or do you just want to have a system where you generate the script and then you use an 11 Labs voiceover? What do you think?
Yeah, what? The second one, man.
So the reason why I'm using Gemini is because it can watch videos really well. So let me just show you what I did here. I'll try to send you all these files. But if you come to Gemini, essentially what I did is I either went to this channel or like this channel, and then I got a bunch of their transcripts. So I use those transcripts to feed to Gemini to kind of understand the scripting style that we want, like the kind of outrageous commentary kind of stuff that we want. And then we can experiment on top of that to build our own style. You can tell it what your channel name is, so it always says your own channel name, blah, blah, blah. It's very easy. Use this to build your own tone and like style of how you want your scripts to be. And after we do that, because Gemini can watch videos, that's why we're using Gemini. So whenever we get our clips from TikTok, as much as you try to aim for, like, again, similar length as them. If you can make 30 minutes, that's even better. So similar length. If you're making really long videos, it's very easy to like hit the watch hours. Like this channel, we barely posted on. The channel I showed you is already at like 500 watch hours. So try to make the videos long. So you just download them, all the clips that you're using. So if we click this,
It's not my problem.
you can see that's my clip. I'm gonna drag everything in. I'm just gonna tell it, and it's gonna write the full script for you. As you can see here, watch it, write the full script, commentate on it. The reason I sent more here is because Gemini has like a limit. You can only send 10 up to 10 at once. So if you have more, you just send the first one, then you send the rest of it, and then you rewrites it. And from there, you take it, go to 11 Labs, make the voiceover, use the same voice every single time. And the editing is try to have a really concise intro. If you can completely kind of cut off the intro. We still have an intro. I'm thinking we'll remove the intro. Okay, let me play the intro for you.
I'm the Angry Unk. Here we go again. Every time you think we've reached peak entitlement,
you can try to cut it short so that you go into the very first clip and
to burn off the security tag on the item.
Me and my crew. That's why we gotta make it, because Bookie.
Some tips I'll give you is try to interject twice on a clip. So it already does this, the training I gave you. So you can put, when the video plays a little bit and they understand what the video is about, you can pause it and essentially commentate a little bit, like give them some context, what's happening, and then you let it play just a little bit, let it play. When it finishes, you commentate again, then you move on to the next clip. That's kind of the cycle. Yeah, once you make the first video, it's just easy from there to make the rest. And this call is also recorded. I could send it to you as well.
Okay, yeah, definitely. Do you also have this? What you're talking about, like in a doc or script, or like a step-by-step thing?
Step by step of the whole process.
Of the process, somewhat not. I mean, just so I guess like what do you call it? Like it's just like a Google Doc, where
Okay. Well, yeah. I get what you mean of the tutorial. So what you can do, like, it's pretty easy. Once I send you the link to this call, just download the video, drag and drop it to Gemini, and say, like, give me the full steps from this. It's gonna do that.
Okay.
Yeah, it's very good. So another, I guess, raw documents I can give you is like this prompt that I used. So I can send it in your chat.
Oh yeah. Tell me any and all prompts that you would recommend or that I use or need.
Yeah.
And okay, and then I'll go from there. And so now, that channel talks about racism. Is there another channel that doesn't talk about that's similar, but talks about something else, funny videos, or is just specifically that?
There are some similar channels, yeah. There's one that talks about cars specifically. I'm gonna try to find it. Yeah, like how modern cars are like trash.
That one would be perfect, man, because I actually can relate to that stuff. I love cars, and I have a lot of cars. I have Corvettes, I have Camaros, I have BMW. So I can relate to cars. I'm a car guy. I like cars. So that I can relate to that. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I get what you mean.
That'll definitely help. I don't relate to that racial stuff. So
yeah, I mean, I don't either, bro. I don't either. It's just like
So that's more relatable, and I can mimic that.
Exactly.
If you can send me that channel on the doc or on the notes here.
So this is the channel. It's running the exact same playbook. It's just getting the clips from. So you can literally plug. You can plug and play the whole system we just talked about on this channel. It will work exactly the same. So I'm gonna send that channel as well.
That's perfect, man. Perfect. So now those videos that I'm getting from TikTok, those are not my videos, obviously. They're clips, right? That I'm putting together on a video to create a video.
Yep.
Is there anything that'll copyright against that or anything like that that'll affect me? Do I need to edit them in a certain way, or how does that work?
The transformative value is added when you start to commentate on the videos. When you start
That's
adding,
what we're doing. Okay.
yeah, when you start adding personality on top of it, it becomes like a new piece of content. Another thing you can, yeah, no one's tracking that, but like if you want, you can give credit to the clips in the description. You can like people that recorded it. Yeah, but yeah,
just to get the safe.
yeah, but no one is like chasing those videos trying to copyright. No one's doing that. Not in this niche. So you're good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. That
Awesome,
makes sense.
Bro. Okay. Any other questions?
So it was just a process that I guess the channel with itself. So give or take, given it's a non-monetized channel right now, it should take about, let's just say I set up everything, post daily, a good 30 to 45 days, give or take, it should be a monetized channel.
Yep.
And then
make long videos every 4 to 5 videos, compile all your last 5 videos, make it super long, 1 hour. If that pops off, super long watch time. That's just gonna eat away from the 4K watch hours. It's easy, it's done.
Okay, so I compile every 45 videos?
Yeah, 4 to 5. 4 to 5, yeah.
4 to 5. Yeah. Okay, perfect. Then to like at least an hour.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay. So and each video average about 20, 30 minutes?
Yeah, try to aim for like 25 minutes if you can. 25 minutes, 25, okay. 30. Yeah. Minimum.
Each video. Okay. 25 minutes.
Yep.
And then okay, perfect, man. So it should be monetized to my Google AdSense account, right? Since it's a non-monetized channel. Yep. Just go directly to me. Okay.
Directly to you.
And okay. So I just come up with a new channel name, stuff like that. And I don't have to do that now, do I?
I wouldn't say do that now. Like you can see the channel I shared, we have not even rebranded it. Just as soon as your first videos, which I think, for example, that channel that I showed you. Let me quickly share again so I can explain this. But
can you also share it on the notes here or something?
Sure.
The link.
Yeah.
That's the one that y'all created, right?
Yes. So yeah, when this channel started, like the first video didn't get views. So let's say we posted today, we come back tomorrow, and then the next day it was at 0 views, right? It's normal. Like the first few days, like that's completely normal trying to find the audience. But like around 4 to 5 videos or 4 to 5 days, like it literally starts compounding because it's found the audience. That's why this niche is also good. There's so many people searching for the same thing and just like consuming it. So yeah, 4 to 5 videos should start finding the audience. Once it starts getting those impressions coming in, like now, this is when I want to rebrand, not before. This is when I want to brand it, put banner, all these things, but not before you get impressions. Just let it sit, just post, just make good videos, etc. Okay. Yeah.
And then I could delete the old video that's on there. There's like 2 videos on there, right? That I could delete later.
Yeah, later. Like right now, I can unlist it, not delete. You want to unlist, not delete. Yeah. Okay. So unlist, okay. Yeah. Right now I would unlist this and then rebrand. Just once you know you're getting the impressions now, that's the plan. Okay. And what's the pay on each video, more or less, or RPM? RPM, I would say minimum at least $6. If you can make the videos, if you can make these videos way longer, it's way higher because you can cram as much ads as you want. And like I said earlier on this call, the people that are watching these videos are like patriots. Even the car niche that we just talked about as well, they're like old people. They're like they had old cars and stuff. You know what I'm saying? And like they have that kind of nostalgia. So RPMs are going to be high across the board, especially when you make those longer videos. So it's gonna be really good. Really good. Awesome, man. Okay. All right, bro. Gotta head out.
Sounds good, man. I appreciate it, man. Send me the info, man. And thank you, man. I appreciate it. We'll be in touch.
Awesome, bro. Take care. Talk soon, man.